Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this one I'm going to be using some of the Modelones acrylic powder, some of the big glitter powder to create some French nails, and I also loved it so much. I knew I would because when I swatched it I loved it so much, so I actually put it on my own nails not long after, so I've included photos of that in the video as well, just to show you how it looks like on a real person. It's absolutely beautiful. The number of the powder is 55. I'm also using a pink for the French part, and that is 01. And you can't see it on the photos on the video, but if you look very, very closely, there is a slight shimmer to this powder. The pink one, and it is really nice, but the purple one, oh, it's just amazing. It's got all these chunks of I don't know what it is that's inside it, but it's not mylar, I don't think, but when you put the liquid on it, or when you put the top coat on, it's got like this blue shimmer to it. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is amazing. And I knew that I wanted to use it for sort of like New Year's or something like that, but with my videos and with college and everything like that and working, I've just had to fit in videos when I can, so I can't really do say, oh, I'm going to do this for such a day. I just have to do things when I can, so that's what I've been doing. So yeah, so for the French nails, what I'm doing is I'm doing it on the practice hand, and I'm putting the pink acrylic on the nail bed area. And I've sped this up because my application isn't the best, and this Modelones acrylic, I do like it. I love the colours and everything like that, but I think it's quite hard for a beginner to use because it's not the same consistency as the other acrylics that I've used, if that makes any sense. The glitter acrylic that's a lot easier to use, I think, other than the colour powders. I find the colour powders quite hard to use and get the right consistency. So until I'm, good at that, I'm just going to keep speeding it up because it did take ages for me to get these nail beds on. So I'm only showing you a couple of fingers as well. But yeah, I really love the way it turned out. It does work, the acrylic powder, it does look really good. It's just the application part that I'm struggling with a little bit, but that's because I'm a beginner as well, so I'll just get on with it now. So yeah, I'm just putting the nail beds on, and then I will go in. I've not done it on camera, but I do go in and I file the shape to how I want it before I put the purple acrylic powder on, and just make sure that I'm happy with the shape of it and everything. In hindsight, I think what I would have done differently is I thought this acrylic, the purple acrylic, was quite opaque, but it's actually not. It's quite clear with a lot of chunky pieces in it. So I think what I should have done probably was put some either black acrylic on the free edge or some black gel polish on before I put the acrylic down, and that would have made it look a lot more opaque, and I think that would have made it look better, but I do still love the way that it turned out. So I'm going to put some music on and let you watch what I'm doing. I would like to say a big thank you to Modelones because, they provided me with this acrylic to try, and I do really like it. I am going to be getting some more products from them to show you. And I'm also going to be doing another swatch video for another beetle set. So I've got a lot of swatches and things to come up, but I'm going to try and do, designs and stuff with all the stuff that I've got as well. So yeah, I'm just going to try and keep it a little bit different. There's going to be some nail art and things coming up as well, because that's what we're doing at college at the moment. Because of COVID, we're not allowed to go into college now till I think the middle of February, so I've got quite a long time before I can do that. So I will be doing a lot of practice at home, and I might as well film it for you, to get some content on my channel as well. So look forward to that. It's good for me to practice as well anyway. So as usual, links for all the products that I've used will be in the description box. I'll put links on for the Modelones website where you can get 10% off if you use my code. It is in the description box for you to use. There's also some codes for other companies as well if you want to get some money off those. So make sure that you check the description box for all of that information. So yeah, I'll also put links in the description box for any Amazon sites that are selling these acrylics. A lot of the time I think they sell them in the US on the Amazon site, but not so much in the UK. But if there is a link, then I will put it down there for you. So yeah, I'll put some music on now and let you watch me do the rest of these nails, and then I'll come back.
take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me I can wait another minute. I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity. I feel like I am in a daydream. Every moment that I spend with you, with you. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me.
Okay, so I've filed and buffed all of the nails now and they're ready for the top coat. So I will do some close-ups and I will show you exactly what these look like with the top coat on. I'm not sure why, but the camera didn't pick it up as well as I thought. The picture wasn't as clear as I thought it was when I was recording. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. But yeah, I'll do some close-ups, and as you can see in the video, I have got my old Christmas nails on that I filed right down because the length was getting on my nerves, so they look really thick because they're so short. So yeah, I decided, well, why not just get rid of them all completely, and then I can put this acrylic on my nails because I knew that I wanted to wear it, and I knew that we were going to be stuck at home for a while. I wasn't going to have to go into college, so I knew that I could put acrylic on. So yeah, I just did it. And I was really, really happy with the result. I think this acrylic is absolutely gorgeous. It does look nice with the pink, but it looks amazing on its own as well. So after I've put this top coat on and I've showed you sort of close-ups of these nails, when they're all fully cured, I will show you close-ups of my nails with the acrylic on. Because sometimes it does look amazing on the practice hand and then you put it on your own hands and it just doesn't look the same. But this stuff is amazing. It really is gorgeous. So you can see there how it shines. So the big chunks that you saw as I was putting the acrylic on, that's those blue bits. That's what they look like when they've got, you know, when they're encapsulated in the acrylic. I did cap these nails in clear as well. But I didn't show that on camera because it would have took too long. The video would have been really long if I'd done that, so I did do that as well. Because the glitter powder and the colour powder, I'm not sure if they're strength powders and you can use them without capping, so I did cap. So yeah, here I'm showing you both together, so my nails with it on and also the ones on the practice hand. And then I'll just show you in a different light so that you can see it a bit clearer. So this is more of a close-up and this is the acrylic powder that I used. So yeah, you can see that those blue bits are shining there and it's a lot clearer. It's absolutely beautiful, this. They also do, in this big glitter set, they do a pink one and a blue one. So I will be using those at some point. But yeah, if you want to see all the colours that come in that kit, just check out the swatch video. I will link that in the cards and I'll link it in the description box as well for you to see. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope you like these nails and this acrylic. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you've not already subscribed, please subscribe. And also go and visit my Instagram and follow me on there because I do put photos of all the nails on there as well. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
to a castle in the sky.